Hello guys, this is Mohammed Saif back with another video, and in this video I'm gonna show you the Pixel 4 board for Poco F1. In my recent video I've reviewed the Pixel experience, which is based on Android 10 but it doesn't have all the Pixel 4 exclusive features, and no, not even other like Pixel phones like Pixel 2, Pixel 3a have got it all. This is all these features I'm gonna talk about right now are exclusively for Pixel 4. So this should be like one of the interesting videos of all time, guys. So all the features, like most of the features are working, and they're a bit hit or miss right now, but they work fine. Having them work on Poco F1 is like beyond my imagination, guys. So first let me show the like the Pixel exclusive feature. One of the Pixel exclusive feature is that you can use hand gestures to skip the songs, which uses Soli sensor technology. But since Poco doesn't have any such technology, but it uses a IR sensor, so I don't know how is it working fine, but it seems to be working, and it seems to be a hit or miss sometimes, but it is working fine on Spotify. It's been ported on Spotify exclusively, and the developer is working on other such apps like you need to install an APK, which I'll link below in description. So let me just play some video right now. I mean the song right now. So let me just silence the song so it doesn't disturb our voice. So let me just play this song, and while I do it I'll use my hand gestures. So this is the app. Okay, this is first let me show the app which is doing it. So I just click it, and now it pops up here, and so here's a video, here's a song. I'll just keep it like this. I'm using hand gestures, guys. You can see this is my touch input. I'm not using my touch input. You can see I'm able to swipe to next song, and that too very fast, and I can even go to the previous song if I wish to. So that's how it's working fine. Really, guys, this is surprising. And let me show another exclusive feature, which is the recorder app. As you can see, I've just recorded this like sometime before, and I can even search for things and it will highlight it here. As you can see, here's it's highlighting it, and here's the text. You can go through all the text, and here's it. So transcript recorder is working, the Soli sensor workaround is working, and this is the safety, guys. You can set your emergency contact if you wish to, and you do get all the pixel specific features. And yeah, live captions. So live caption seems to be working. Let me turn it on right now. So here's a live caption, and I turn on this four specific features working on this particular build. Let me show you its battery. So as you can see, I haven't tested long enough yet. I just installed it. I wanted to share it with you guys. Going through the developers like screenshots, you can see that it's very fine, and you can see this is how you do it. So you have to use hand gestures just like Soli sensor, and it is working fine. So I'll put all the download links in description. Make sure you subscribe. Thanks for watching. This has been Mohammed Saifal.